Hey guys, here I am again, Barry with Barry's 8-track and classic car radio repair. And this time we're demonstrating an AM-FM 8-track radio out of a 75 Olds Delta 88. This comes from Joe from Matthews, Virginia. Joe has requested the modern internal conversion to greatly increase the output power because we're going with a new harness on this one. And he's also requested the Bluetooth edition. So let's make sure everything works before we send her back. I've got it set to AM to the one strong AM station I get in my area. And we're going to demonstrate our virtual balance and fader functions here.
Now hear this. Chef Juby has lost his mind.
Virtual front rear fader.
Prescott Valley is...
Fader adjust.
Mondays.
Okay, so all the way front, all the way rear,
Bella is
front,
now open
rear.
on Mondays.
Okay, I'm going to
So
center
grab
him.
your family and come hang out with our family.
Fader
Set. Okay,
City's favorite
left, right,
Italian
balance.
restaurant, located in the Fry.
Balance adjust.
Okay, all the way left, right, stays
I'm Henry Winkler.
left.
My eyes are
Right,
very
okay, I'm
important
gonna
to me.
center
My
it
eyes
again.
connect me with everything I love.
Balance
Set. Okay, let's make sure the Bluetooth goes into pairing mode.
Lit up a room, but his
Bluetooth ready to pair.
Okay, so you heard that. Okay, now we're going to move over to FM, and I have all 5 presets set to stations in my area for a quick test. Okay, now we're on FM.
Chief has resigned, saying he...
Here's our other palette cleanser.
Whoop, that one drifted a bit. Okay, let's try the 8-track.
Get out and circulate. There are plenty of fish in the deep end. She's gonna break. Oh, honey, can't you see your pretty little eyes? It's no time. Come on in. Honey, won't you say you're mine?
Okay, end of a song there. Check for crosstalk between songs. No problem there.
Get out and search for the boy she loves you. I was lonely good.
Alrighty. Pull the tape out and the radio comes back. Let's check the dial light. And you can see it flashing on and off right through that hole right there when I press and release the button. So that concludes the test. Everything's working. She's ready to go back, and she's going back today. I'm Barry with Barry's 8-track and classic car radio repair. To reach me for service, please visit the website in the description below, and please download and print the work order before calling me with a bunch of questions about my options, prices, turn times, etc., because that's all in the work order, and it'll answer all your questions as you're filling it out. And that keeps me on the bench and off the phone, on the bench is where the work actually gets done. So the less time I spend on the phone, the more time I have to put my top quality workmanship into your radio when it arrives. So thanks so much for watching and listening. Thank you, Joe, for your business all the way from Matthews, Virginia, and we'll see you guys next time.